Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just coming on to start the caravan vlog because we've come to Church Farm in Pagham. It's a haven resort. So I just thought I'd start the vlog by giving you a caravan tour. So that's the door. So when you come in the door, this is what you see. So you've got a TV, sofa, and that turns into a double bed. Dining area, 3/4 fridge freezer, cupboard, kitchen, the microwave and everything. And you come down here, let me just pop the light on. And then here we've got some coat hooks. And then this is the shower room. So toilet, sink, mirror, shower, yeah. Some hooks. Not the best, but it will do. Obviously it's a caravan there. Small, aren't they? And then in this one you have a second toilet. So there's just a little toilet room in here. We actually thought this was an ensuite, but it's not. So then you have this room. This is going to be my dad's room because my sister and Ben are going to sleep in the lounge. This will be dad's room. Then you have mine and Ty's room with the double beds, little wardrobe area, and a little vanity. Oh, there's a plug there so I can charge my phone there. That's good. And then you have Buggle Butt room. So that's a little vanity as well. And then there. Let me turn it back round. Yep, so we left home at about 11, half past this morning, and we got here just before 2 o'clock, so I think it might have been closer to 12 that we left home. But we did stop at the Sutton Scotney services for Bailey to go for a wee and stuff. Yeah, and then we carried on down, and now we're here. So we've just been chilling around the site to start with because we couldn't check in until 3, so we've just checked in, and they've just given, my sister and Ben have just given Bailey her birthday present, which is an electronic ride-on Vespa. I'm in my bedroom! What the matter? Oh.
Starting to unpack.
Alright, I'll come out now. But yeah, so everyone's starting to unpack the car. I don't know if Bailey's still on her Vespa to get a shot of her on it. No, she's not. So, yeah, so tonight we're going out for dinner to a local pub. My dad lived in this town for a few years when he was young. So he knows, and my uncle actually lives here. So they're coming up to the caravan to see us, and then we're going down to a pub called The Lamb, which is like a really old pub. My nan used to drink in there, like when they lived here, and that was long time ago. In probably like the 70s or 80s. Dad?
Yeah.
What year was it when you lived here? Was it the 70s or the 80s?
We moved out of here. Would have been in 1977.
Okay, so it was the 70s. So yeah, so we're going down there for dinner tonight. So I think we're just gonna chill about the caravan, unpack and stuff. So I didn't end up vlogging very much because we just had some family time over the weekend. My sister and her boyfriend were here and I just didn't feel like getting the camera. We just wanted to spend some time as a family, and everyone was getting very, very drunk, and Ty was making a bit of a tit of himself, so I thought I'd best not put that on camera. But it's Monday now, so we were going to Brighton today, but the weather looked better for tomorrow, so we've changed the plans around a little bit, and we are currently heading to the aquarium at Southsea, which is what we were meant to be doing Tuesday, to take Bailey to see the fish. And my cousin recommended a cafe called the 10th Hole at Southsea as well, which I think we're going to go to because apparently they do really good cake. So, oh, very pretty.
Type 42 Destroyer, aren't they?
Oh, nice.
What?
A Type 42 Destroyer. So we actually went wrong because there was a lot of people being dicks on the motorway, so we didn't come off at Southsea, so now we're going through Portsmouth, which isn't ideal, but it'll do. So we're going to go to the aquarium, and then we were meant to be going to West Quay at Southampton, a shopping centre, on Wednesday, but we've changed our minds because we're so close to Bognor. We've bought day passes to go to Butlins instead, and we're going to take Bailey to Butlins for the day because there's just so much more for her to do there. She'd get bored being cooped up in a buggy going shopping for hours when we're doing that on Thursday as well. We're going to Gunwharf Quays at Portsmouth on Thursday with my aunt and uncle. Yeah, they will be. Oh, we're right by the Navy base, so we can see all the boats. Well, ships. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, so heading to the aquarium. Dad doesn't know if I'm going to be able to get any footage in there because apparently a lot of like sea life centres and aquariums don't let you film because of like the flash and the fishes and stuff, like it can harm them or something. So we're not sure whether we're going to be able to. What's the hovercraft? You can get that over to the Isle of Wight, can't you? Yeah. We're not sure if we're going to be able to film, but if we can, I will. So we shall see what we do. If not, I will pick the camera back up after we've been in, when we're going to go to this cake place, and I don't know what else we're going to do here. I know we're going back and we're going to go swimming when we go back. So yes, we shall see.
The RNLI?
It's the Isle of Wight.
Not RNLI. What are they?
That's Portsmouth. There's the Spinnaker Tower. Oh, where am I? There's the Spinnaker Tower. And over there is Southampton. Just see a ferry going over. It's a helicopter. And there's Ty and Dad walking with Bailey. That is the hovercraft at the Isle of Wight. I really thought it was smaller. So this is Southsea. Because the aquarium was crap. We paid £30 for 15 minutes. Here we go. Good morning everyone. So we are off to Brighton today. I vlogged a bit yesterday, but we didn't get too much. After we got back from Southsea at Portsmouth, we literally just went up to the clubhouse for dinner, and then came pretty much straight back to the caravan. We were all so tired. We just put Bailey to bed, all curled up on the sofa and the bed in the living room, and watched some TV shows. I need to position that differently because you can see Ty asleep in the back. Ty and Bailey are both asleep, as if neither of them have had enough. But yeah, we're off to Brighton, so we're gonna go on the pier and shop in the lanes. Ty's never been to Brighton before. I've only ever been the once, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've only ever been once. Obviously Bailey's never been, but Ty's never been here before, so I'm just gonna go do a bit of shopping, go on the pier, have fish and chips on the beach, be very typically British, and have a nice time. So I don't know how much I'll be able to get on my camera because everyone keeps forgetting to remind me to charge my camera batteries, and I keep forgetting myself, so I might have to vlog some on my phone, but I'll see how much I can get. So, oh, we're about 15 minutes away? 5 minutes away? Oh, we're 5 minutes away apparently. So, yeah, we shall be there very, very soon. We're hoping to park on the seafront because parking in Brighton is very expensive. Very expensive. I think we had to park in the multi-story last time, didn't we? I think it cost you a pretty penny, didn't it? So, we shall see what happens.
Number 19.
Typical British.
Yeah, I'm vlogging. It's only the back of you. Nice country walk with the fam. Stunning. That's Pagham Harbour. So the sea comes in like that sunset. It's gorgeous. Some of these caravans are like £150,000. These are the lodges. These are the lodges, babe. These ones. They are fucking huge. That's actually the size of 2 of our caravans. Oh, there's one over there with bifold doors all over the back. There's a lodge over there with bifold doors all across the back. I got a barrier. She don't look sure, does she?
Bailey.
So we've come to Butlins today. It's Wednesday the 1st of May. We just came for the day. We come to one of Bobby Regis. I've never ever been here before, but it is amazing. I'm filming on my phone because my camera died and I didn't want to bring it in anyway. So far we've done a few fairground rides and we've had some food, had a walk around, and we're just waiting for the pool to open because for day tickets it's only open between 12 and 4. And I can see Dad and Ty coming. They've just taken Bailey into the Discover Animals to see like snakes and spiders and stuff, but I hate snakes, so they have one out, so I won't go in there. But yeah, so we're just going to head off to the pool because we won't get written there. Oh, apparently Bailey had a snake held round her neck. She had a snake round her neck? You put a snake round my 3-year-old's neck?
Yeah.
You held a snake? Did you hold a snake? Oh, I'll insert them into the video so that it can be seen.
Yeah, right around there, look. And there's
Oh.
a birdie from tarantula in there.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't think it'd be your cup of tea.
No. Snakes and spiders, not my idea of fun. But yeah, so we're going to go swimming. I didn't get much footage in Brighton yesterday because we just went shopping mainly. Like, the pier was shit. Nothing was open. So we didn't do that. But yeah, so we're just walking around. Let her go on it then. So we'll see what we get to.
Finally got her Mr. Whippy. You've been waiting for this for a full 24 hours, haven't you, babe? Bailey, is that nice?
Hold on.
Bailey, watch your fingers.
Here we go. Hold it. Go on then. Go on then. Go. Don't run after it.
Watch your fingers.
Go. Daddy got one. Alright, you got Daddy another one. Hold on. Hold on. Now. Good girl. Is it going to bounce? Daddy got one. Daddy go. Daddy's go. Hold on.
No, no.
Hold on. Hold on. Ready? No, you can't do that. You can't do that. Right, leave it. Go. Push. Push.
So that was the last of the footage that I got. We had an absolutely amazing time. We cannot wait to go back to Haven again and take Bailey again for future trips. It was the best time, and we actually booked a trip to Butlins for May next year. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I loved filming it, and I can't wait to see what we get up to next. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.